What is the main function of the left and right main TRU switches? The on-side main AC bus powers each main TRU. In the unlikely event that the on-side main AC bus should fail, the left or right main TRU switch can be selected to the opposite side main AC bus to restore the TRU and its respective main DC bus. If that happened, what will happen to the failed side of the essential DC bus? The aux TRU will automatically power the failed side essential DC bus. How many TRUs are normally operating in flight? 5. Main and essential continuous with the auxiliary and standby mode. Which TRU is not dedicated to a bus? The aux TRU. What item will be lost with only one AC power source operating in flight? Galley power. In what situation can the TRU power more than one bus, and which buses can it power? When the HMG and the left essential or right essential DC switches are in and on, the aux TRU can power both essential DC buses. If the right main TRU fails, what should automatically power the right main DC bus? The aux TRU. If a generator fails, will a brake or a no-brake power transfer occur? A brake power transfer will occur. If a generator is selected off while running, will a brake or a no-brake power transfer occur? A no-brake transfer power transfer. If a running engine is shut down with a fuel control switch, will a brake or a no-brake power transfer occur? A no-brake power transfer. If an engine fails, will a brake or a no-brake power transfer occur? A brake power transfer. If ground service bus is selected on, which will power the bus if DC power is connected to the aircraft? DC external power. If a ground service bus is selected on with no external power connected to the aircraft, where will the ground service bus get its power? The right battery. In flight, how many ground service bus normally powered? How is the ground service bus normally powered? From the right main DC bus. In flight, how is the ground service bus normally powered? From the right main DC bus. Whenever the ground service bus is turned on, what light turns on? The lower beacon. Whenever the external battery is turned on, what lights turn on? The lower beacon. Which batteries are activated when the external battery is switched on? Both batteries, both main batteries. Which are two items that will cause one or both battery light switch capsules to illuminate? Which are two items that will cause one or both battery switch light capsules to illuminate even while one or more AC generators are operating? Starting the APU or selecting the auxiliary hydraulic pump on? What buses are powered with an external DC power card connected to the aircraft? The left and right essential DC, the left and right main DC, ground service bus, essential AC phase A only through the E inverter. What electrical components are located beneath the forward floor? The TRUs and the E inverter. What is the IDG electrical load limitations when operating in high ambient temperature? The IDG electrical load is limited to 45% 18 kVA when the ambient temperature is greater than 110 degrees Fahrenheit in order to maintain steady state fuel temperatures below 95 degrees Celsius.